ubuke umlilo kulento ezintatha kusaza namhlanje. Oqashe igumbi ngemuva kulomuzi kuyena osize ukubikela abacima imlilo ngalesigameko. Uthi abacima imlilo abazange baphendule ngesikhathi.
Since I went there earlier, if they came with me with immediately effect, they could have at least saved other people's life. But at least 5 people dead. We managed to save 2, by the way.
Umakhelwane odele impilo yakhe ukwazile ukuhlenga umama oneminyaka ebalele emashumini amane kanye nengane yakhe eneminyaka emithathu ubudala.
I managed to take out the small child. I think it's about 4 or 5 years. And then after taking out the baby, I went back again to take out the mother. She was also inside. I tried to open, at least I managed to open the butler more so that we can lift her up from inside, and then we managed to take her out. And I went back for the 3rd time, but I unsuccessful. I didn't manage to rescue 5 of the deceased.
Ayikaziwa imbangela lomlilo kodwa abezimo eziphuthumayo bathi bekunohlelo ukucisha konke ugesi endaweni ngesikhathi kuqala umlilo.
Emergency services received a call that a house was on fire and with people still trapped inside. And upon arrival on the scene, firefighters were told by bystanders as well as a female of about 46 that there are still 5 people inside the house. Upon initiating firefighting, breaking into the house, 2 bodies were immediately located, but unfortunately they had passed on.
Ebantwini abahlanu abashonile kubalwa ingane yomfana eneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala, ibhungu elineminyaka eyishumi ubudala, amadoda aneminyaka engama-22 nenama-24 ubudala, kanye nowesifazane oneminyaka engama-46 ubudala. Abomthetho kanye nabezokuphepha basaphenya okuthungele lo mlilo.